Hello, welcome back to the channel. Coming up in this episode.
I do, because the bike still runs. I'm not confident if I'd have taken the bike through there, it'd be running.
Oh, when it rains it pours, mate. When it rains it pours. Oh, he almost flipped it then. He almost flipped it. So behind us is what they call the bomb hole. And it's like a bum hole.
Well, you know this is going to be good, so let's get into it. Cue the intro.
Two bikes over.
Two over. How was that? Do you feel like it was a good decision to go that way?
I do, because the bike still runs. I'm not confident if I'd have taken the bike through there, it'd be running.
But on the other hand, Mr. Dazza, you are confident that you're going to be able to skim a stone all the way across the water, but you're confident you're going to be able to take your monkey bike, be able to push it through here, and it's going to start, because we all know monkey bikes are superior.
You're willing me to do it, but I don't think I think it's too deep in it.
Yeah.
I think it's going to have to be the...
You're chickening out.
It's going to have to be the
Oh
chicken.
no.
Unless we push it over.
That's what I meant. We're pushing over, not riding it.
Cool.
There's no way you can ride that through there. Right, we're going to go and get your bike. We're going to push it all the way through and see if it starts.
I hope this is the deepest one. I hope this is it.
I'm ready for a pint. I've got a big dog. Right, let's go and get it. How are we doing?
Right, I'm just a bit worried about the exhaust filling up. Pick it up. Yeah. Yeah. Oh shit.
You alright?
Keep that foot going. Come on then.
Come on, victory, come on. Are you knackered now? Come on, we just made it. 3 bikes, pure horsepower, well, men power. And none of us are at all knackered and showing signs of being hot and sweaty and pretty much had enough now.
I feel woozy.
Do you feel woozy?
I haven't done that much exercise in a long time.
Slightly faint. Myself.
Well, they're through.
I just hope there's no more that deep.
Yeah, I do, to be honest, because that is ridiculous.
Because now it's... If we go back, we've got to go through that again.
We're not going back.
Going. How many more is there?
We're not going back. Not a chance. Well, we made it through, even if we had to push it through this river. We're going to push on. I don't even know what time it is. We've been doing this for a few hours now, but we're going to push on and get to the end. So, yeah, now we've got to walk back across there to get all our helmets and stuff because they're over the other side of the river before we can get going. But hey, I'm still having a blast. This is still a giggle. Right, you ready, mate?
Yeah, it's
I've got half the river in my boots. Let's go. Without wheel spinning at us. Woohoo!
oh, bump. bump, bumpity bump. Oh, bump.
You're gone. I'm just poddling through this shit.
Oh shit.
What? What?
There's another great big river.
Is it really? Is it really?
Yeah, I don't know. It's not as long, but it's another river crossing. Oh, no. Oh God. Oh. Right, let's have a look.
Oh, when it rains, it pours, mate. When it rains, it pours.
Right, it's not. I'm going to push the Vespa through, to be fair. Just under my knees.
Under your knees?
Yeah.
How tall are you?
10'2".
Are you really pushing it through?
Yeah, this would just cut out going through there.
Do you reckon mine will be right?
Yeah, yours will be alright. Right, let's go. Oh! Well done.
Oh, he almost flipped it then. He almost flipped it.
How deep was it?
Didn't look too bad, to be fair.
Come on, baby.
Come on, monkey. You've done it all. You've done it. Look, the Vespa's off.
Yes!
Go on. Nail it. Nail it.
Yes! Yes! Woo! Ah, fucking more water.
What?
More water.
Oh, shit, the bed. No. Oh, look, this side looks all right.
Let's go down and have a look. Who's beeping? You know what? I think we can do this.
You all right?
Right. Is he all right?
Rory, my hero, I'm coming.
Oh, it's echoing in our helmet. Come on.
Woo! I love my hero. I'll always be there for him.
I don't think it's that deep.
As long as he keeps saving those damsels and bringing them to my door.
I'm just going to go for it.
Darren,
Yeah.
tell my kids I love them.
Right, there's a Land Rover coming.
Is he coming through?
Huh?
Is he already coming through?
He's on his way down, just warning you.
Tell me if he gets close enough I can't go.
No, you'll be alright if you get a move on.
Right, here I come. You ready?
Oh, it's coming. Yeah, come on then.
Shit, I should have gone down that way.
You coming, mate? Ready?
Yeah, here I come. Fuck! I wanna ride through a river.
Here he comes, come on.
Oh yes, come on. You know now you want to have my babies after seeing me do that.
Well done.
Be fair, I am knackered.
Yeah, I am starting to feel it. Why is
That's
this
the
Land
river.
Rover sat there? Yeah, another river crossing. We're gonna go?
Yeah. No way around it. Let's do it.
Fucking hell, that looks deep again.
Not if you stick to the outside, but look, there's a path there. Shit, mate. Shit, the bed. That it's got some force to that baby, and the monkey bike does it in ease. Did I have to get off the bike there? Did I have to?
I think we better see how deep this is. I think my belt keeps slipping on the...
Is it soaked? Go on then, go for it.
Oh, I'm going to see how deep it is.
Go on then.
He's just standing, he's watching us, isn't he? Like, in awe.
It's because he's here as obviously a big fan. Where are we up to?
Get deeper. My knees.
That's a push through job then.
That's fucking over my knees again. Yeah, it's as deep as the other one, but it's just not as long.
Push through then?
Yeah. Not too bad for rocks. It's a bit rocky. Yeah.
Oh, would it do my air filter? Fucking, that is literally... Yeah, it will in a second.
You alright?
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah.
You coming through?
I'm coming.
See if I can go on.
Fucking Jesus.
Right. So we've just done another river. We've pushed them through. Your bike wouldn't start, but you've magically made it happen again, and it's running. So the Vespa's not dead. By the way, both monkeys haven't had any problems. And now we are heading down here, and we just passed a 4x4 that said it basically gets really technical down here.
No, I'll be alright.
I can't spell technical, so I'm not worried. Right, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready, Mr. Dazza? Let's make YouTube gold. You don't want to go through the water, Darren?
Huh?
You don't want to go through the water?
Got it!
Gun it! Aye, Captain. Gun it!
Alright, flipping heck!
Woo!
Get the Vespa a bit of a blowout because she was full of water.
You drowned your girl.
I did. It was, this is deep water.
Is it?
It looks...
He said it's nowhere near as deep anywhere else. Are you pushing it through again?
I think the belt's slipping.
Yeah?
Oh, shit. Stick in the middle.
Are you ready for me?
There's the ruts either side though, so you're going to have to be careful with that, mate. It's a bit muddy.
Is it really?
Yeah.
So stick in the middle?
Yeah. Oh, please start.
Shit the bed. We're going for it, Darren. My back end's lifting up. Darren, I'm going. I'm going for it, Darren. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. The monkey crushes it again. Mr. Dazza.
Here comes the hero.
Here he comes. Here he comes. Look at that. Come on. You can do it.
Oh, like
Come
a
on.
boss.
Come on.
Like a boss.
Monkey bikes.
Jeez Louise. This is the bomb hole.
Is it?
Yes.
Is it big?
Yes. Bomb hole.
Right,
Bomb holio.
I'll see you go down and up then, yeah? Is that water at the bottom?
There's two different routes through.
So behind us is what they call the bomb hole. And it's like a bum hole. Basically, it's just like a bottomless pit and you come out the other end. Now, at the end of the day, I know, and everyone says it's not going to pick up in the camera, and it's not. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our crash test dummy through it. We're going to put the Vespa through its paces and see what happens. So the Vespa's having a lie down at the minute, just to have a little bit of a break.
Yeah.
You're actually going to do this?
I'm going to try it, yeah. We're only here once, aren't we? So let's give it a go. That's what I say.
Right, this is going to be awesome. I'm gonna get you what they call some toilet roll for your bum afterwards.
Yeah, good.
But I've got no fresh pants.
So I've been down and we've had a look. I've picked my line. I'm going to give it a go.
Let's do it.
That's what we've come for.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. So there literally is how steep it is, and I know again you're not going to be able to see it, but this is when Darren's about to risk his life. So, ladies and gentlemen, I give you the first nutty man on a Vespa doing something, well, actually, you're not the first, really, are you? You're just special. But anyway, here we go, ladies and gentlemen, the Sidekick. Here we go. Here we go. Power! Whoa! You got stuck there, mate.
Ooh, that's a whole load of paint coming off.
It doesn't really class as making it if you don't actually go over the peak.
Hang on.
I think I might have not. I didn't hit record. So you can do it again.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all.